In this etude, Dancla kind of does a little bit of a walkabout in in shifts. So he makes us shift, sometimes make really small shifts and sometimes a little bigger ones. And here the idea is to kind of make the student think if they're switching from half step, if they're making a half step shift or a whole step or even bigger. So according to what shift you're faced with, you kind of have to estimate how far you need to move the hand. And of course, when I say move the hand, your whole hand has to go. You can't leave the thumb behind and move the fingers only. No, you have to take the whole thing and start moving it like that. So from first position to second, second position to third, and back, third position back to second, second position back to first. So I sort of exaggerated some of the shifts on purpose with a slide with a little bit of a glissando, just to sort of illustrate how this is supposed to work. This isn't supposed to be a beautiful piece you would play on stage in front of people. This is just a etude to help you polish your shifting game a little bit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.